Hello fam, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chibuzo Irebute, and in this video I'll be showing you how I achieved this mohawk hairstyle using passion twist by Darling Nigeria. If this is what you're here for, kindly stay till the end of the video and don't forget to support us by liking, commenting and sharing this video to your friends and family. Stay tuned. Straight to the tutorial, I will be parting the hair in 3 sections to achieve the layers I need for the styling. So if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you. And if you are new here, please subscribe to the family and don't forget to like, comment and share this video to your friends. Also, click the notification button to be notified of our new video and subsequent videos. Using my Eco Styling Gel to avoid flyaways, I will be laying the hair in sections as I part them and tying them to hold them firmly while I part the others. I would allow you to go through the video and pay much more attention while I explain the steps one by one. So I'm making sure to apply the gel as little as possible because less is more in this case, and tying the hair, holding it firmly, not too tight but holding it. So after laying down the hair, I would be attaching these extensions to her hair. Sorry I wasn't able to upload the way I unraveled this hair, but if you're interested in seeing how I unraveled them, you can indicate in the comment section below so that I would post it on my next video. So for the case of this video, I started attaching the extensions from the front part of the hair, but it's advisable to start behind so that you don't have any obstructions while attaching the ones behind. So after fixing the extensions, I went ahead to unravel the ones I wasn't able to unravel completely. And also, to make the hair as full as I want, I have to unravel the rest of the hair. With my scissors, I will be cutting off the excess extensions from the hair so that I'll make it look like what I want it to look like. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification button to be notified of our new videos, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video to your friends. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.